Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tea with Tarana. My name is Tarana Arora and in this video I have something very special for you all, and the speciality is I will in this video tell you the methods to study direct tax from which you can score an exemption. The 3 easy steps that you have to follow and exemption is all yours. So I scored an exemption in direct tax and I am going to share my techniques that I followed, okay? In this video, I'm not asking you to follow the teacher, follow the same teacher, follow their books, follow their technique of studying. No, you can follow your own teachers, you can follow your own method of studying, but just apply the techniques that I have followed, okay? So first of all, religiously, you have to go through the revisionary videos that are available on YouTube of any teacher for direct tax. Since the syllabus of direct tax is very vast, you have to like, it's very important to go through the revisionary videos so that the concepts are retained here in your mind for a longer duration, okay? I have followed the revisionary videos of BB sir, Bhavar Borana sir, but आपने जिन subject की, जिन teachers की classes ली हैं, you can follow them. We are lucky, we are so blessed that we have revisionary videos, access to the revisionary videos free of cost. So make use of it and go through the revisionary videos, especially in direct tax, okay? Second, just after watching the revisionary videos, make sure that you go through the text. I have prepared my own notes so that after I finish watching the video, I jump to those notes. But I know the time is less. If your attempt is in November or next year, you can definitely follow your own, make your own notes, okay? But since time is less, we can go through the context books, okay? Either you can go, like if you are comfortable reading the detailed books, go for it. But if you have a crunch of time, you can similarly watch the video, like you study the concepts from the compact book. It's perfectly fine, okay? Now we have done two things, two different methods. First, we have watched the revisionary videos from YouTube. Secondly, we have read the concepts from the book. जो हम लोगों ने रिविजनरी वीडियोस में देखा उसी के कॉन्सेप्ट्स हम लोगों ने पढ़ लिए. द थर्ड एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर डायरेक्ट टैक्स इज सॉल्विंग प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज direct tax is not only about practicalities or about theory, but it is a combination of both. So after you get over with watching the videos, with going through the context, just make sure you go through the practical questions. And I am not asking you to scan those questions. जो practically बड़े बड़े questions होते हैं जिसमें आपको सब कुछ करना होता है. For example, you have to calculate the total income, then after that you have to calculate the tax amount, the cess amount, the refund, and everything, whatever it is. Make sure you solve those questions using a paper, copy and a calculator. No scanning, okay? And go like we have case studies, theory questions, so you can obviously scan them, read them properly, go through them again and again. So this is a proper method of studying direct tax that I followed and scored an exemption, okay? And comment below if you have any other method also, so that we can all learn from you all. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. First of all, you have to go through the revisionary videos. Secondly, make sure you go through the text from the book or from your notes. Third, you have to solve the questions properly, okay? And yes, you're good to go now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and like this video if you loved it. I'll make more videos related to these subjects. And if you have any query, we can get in touch with each other via LinkedIn, Telegram, Instagram, okay? So Gmail, and I'm linking all these things down in the description box. Okay, take care, bye.